Hey Paul, my name is Mark Devlin. I'm the owner as well as the master roaster for Higher Grounds Coffee Company. As a matter of fact, I personally roasted your Sumatran that you ordered from us last week, and I also want to personally thank you for that order. It's orders like that and customers like you that keep my wife and I thriving in this economy. It's folks like you who just love coffee, you're connoisseurs, you know what you want, and you want the freshest coffee in the world. That's what we do. We have a passion for this. So I just wanted to kind of invite you into my micro roastery. Behind me, you can see the micro roasters that roast in 1, 2, or 3 pound lots. And we have small roasters. Now we have a big one on the other side of the room here, but these roasters are specifically for folks like you that when you put in an order of 1 pound, 2 pounds, 3 pounds, 4 pounds, we can order it, we can roast it to order. We don't take it out of big batches. We don't have anything pre-roast. So if you want it medium, if you want it dark or a little bit darker, and I believe you ordered yours, if I'm looking here, one bold and one medium. Great choice. You'll be able to taste the difference between Sumatran, which is extraordinarily good bold, but it's wonderful medium. This is a Sumatran Mandheling. This is what they call double pick coffee. And what that means is that as the coffee bean is separated from the coffee cherry, they process it and it looks like kind of a green peanut. And it runs down this conveyor belt, and they physically have people that are sitting there picking out all of what we call defects, sticks, maybe bad black beans, some beans that may have been picked if the cherry wasn't ripe, and they literally go down the assembly line, they pick these things out. And it comes back around again, and there's another set of people on the other side that manually pick out the defects. So both visually and functionally, this coffee is a wonderful Sumatran, and I really hope you enjoy it. It's very heavy bodied, low acidity, extraordinarily smooth. And I have to admit that even as a coffee roaster and person in the industry, I'll put a little cream and a little Splenda or sugar in there, and man, I tell you, it just makes a great cup of coffee. So keep drinking the coffee. We'll keep roasting it for you. Thanks for giving us a shot to earn your business, and hope we can roast more for you in the upcoming year, and be your private coffee roaster. Hey, thanks a lot, and enjoy. Take care.